Namaste Australia. I'm Miss Nepal World 2016, Asmi Shrestha. It's my pleasure to share with you all that I will be coming to Sydney, Australia for the grand finale of Innovative Associates, Mr. and Miss Nepal Oceania 2016, organized by United Nepalese Arts and Entertainment. So please don't forget to be there at Hurstville Entertainment Center on 20th of August, Saturday, as we will be celebrating the true Nepali spirit, home away from home. See you all there.